This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 16th of July. I'm James Spann. Pretty routine summer weather can be expected here today and tomorrow, but later in the week we might see a little increase in the coverage of showers and storms. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from Cheaha State Park. Hey, how about that nice daylight there in the eastern horizon? These images captured at the somewhat insane hour of 5 o'clock. There's the Hamilton Skycam up in northwest Alabama. Way down south, there's our Gulf Shores Skycam. Little bit of daylight there. And how'd you like to see this? That's a cool picture. I got that on Twitter early this morning. These were guys out chasing storms in Saskatchewan in Canada, and they wound up chasing the aurora instead of the storms. Incredible display of the northern lights with a geomagnetic storm. And I would imagine it was seen down in parts of the United States last night, but no reports of it this far south. There was only an outside chance, but that's always a gorgeous sight. Never seen those in person. Would love to do that one day. All right, there's the big picture. The upper trough that brought the wet weather last week has been in retrogression. It's over Texas now. A little features off the Atlantic coast, a little swirl there. A tropical upper tropospheric trough, if you will, and that's kind of drifting west, and that might be a player, might not, we'll see. But other than that, ridging aloft and pretty standard stuff today. Highs yesterday, the peak of the heat was way up north over parts of Nebraska and South Dakota. We had mostly low 90s yesterday. And up north, we have heat advisories today for parts of South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Convective outlook, no severe weather risks on the board today. A lot of green, though. That means just the chance of general thunderstorms over much of the nation. Same thing tomorrow, just a slight risk over northern New England, of all places. But this looks pretty good. This is the rain for the next 5 days, and it's always good to see those blue colors in here. This is valid through Friday evening, suggesting rain amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches. And, of course, every day the distribution will be very uneven. It's summer, but hopefully on an average basis, especially later in the week, we'll pick up some decent rain. And anytime you get rain here in midsummer, it's good. And the tropics, again, very quiet. Across the Atlantic, at least, no tropical storm formation expected this week. Check the modeling. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Little weak upper low is over West Texas. Deep upper low on the coast of Oregon. Other than that, ridging around, and again, we'll roll with the standard risk of scattered afternoon and evening storms. The NAM is at 92, the GFS is at 93, and that's what you expect this time of the year. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. But on Wednesday, the moisture deepens a little bit. Might give us a little bump in the number of showers and storms. And on Thursday, there's a cold front north of here. Nice surge of cool, dry air dipping into the northern states around the Great Lakes in New England. And that just might begin that increase in showers and storms that we're expecting. And Friday, look at the trough over the east. We've got the 594 heat furnace over the middle of the nation. And with that upper trough, the cold front pushes farther south. And it looks like our best coverage of showers and storms this week could very well be on Thursday and Friday. Highs dropping back toward 90 on those days with some sun at times. Not a total washout, but just, again, a decent chance of a good summer shower or two. Pretty much the same deal as we kick off the weekend. Of course, the front's got to wash out. It's not going to push through here. And there's Sunday. And again, we'll just kind of go with the standard mix of sun and clouds, scattered shower and storm forecast with low 90s. And a week from today, hottest weather should be in the southwest. We're on the Four Corners with a 594 ring. And again here, the chance of scattered, mostly afternoon storms. We'll check the end of the forecast, July 31st. And that looks like July 31st. And again, during a typical summer, that is kind of the peak of the heat. End of July, first couple of weeks of August, and down below that, nothing out of the ordinary. Partly sunny, hot, muggy, with that chance of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.